Okay, what was different with this one is I didn't go anywhere, but there was a color, there was blue, but then there was an infinity scarf that I had that the pattern kept showing up. And an eye, where the whites of the eye was yellow, beautiful yellow. And the eye itself was a hazel color. And what I felt, all of a sudden, everything started to come with me. All the questions that I started to ask were right there. And it was like somebody hitting a ball. Here it is. It was fun. And it was definitely about my solar plexus, because it did tell me, I said for the new year, I want good health, free of disease. And when it was asked, what can I do about it? It was me. I'm the one that can do it. It's all about me. I am the obstacle. It's all me. So it was good. It was refreshing, and it was great for a new year.
And you also got a copy of my book, right?
I did get a copy of your book. I can't wait to read it. Yes.
Excellent.
Thank
All right.
you.
Well, thank you, Linda.
Very well.